Attention business owners, coaches and consultants, here are my secrets, right, to using TikTok to grow my business and to generate leads and to increase revenue. Right, to tell you the truth, I started 3 years ago on TikTok, right, just wanted to find new clients to sell my skincare and makeup. Right, I didn't know that I could grow into becoming an accidental influencer. Okay, so basically, right, here are my tips, right, on how to grow on social media, on TikTok as well. First thing first, what you know, right, is not what general public knows. Just want to let you know. Initially, right, I started TikTok, right, is to find new clients and to generate leads. Okay, because 2020 was dead for me. There was all my classes were cancelled. I was teaching personal empowerment workshops like for women, especially like styling, makeup, skincare. So and that in 2020 was like poof, all gone because of pandemic. And then I realized that, oh no, I need to find clients, and how do I do it? And I was doing Facebook Live every day, and there was not many clients that responded to me. And I was thinking to myself, oh no, what am I going to do? And back then I was already serving a lot of regular clients. So when I first started doing TikTok, right, I was trying to differ myself from other skincare coaches, because there are a lot of skincare consultants on TikTok as well. And I was wondering, how do I differ myself from them? So the key thing I did is to share my stories, how I started my business, and why I look forward to using my own products, right, compared to others. And also, when I was thinking to myself, like, maybe a lot of you maybe have already used Sephora's products or other brands, right, but you don't see much results. So I will be the one to help you to reduce fine lines and wrinkles and to minimize your big pores, right? And that's my key thing to helping a lot of women. So that's my, at the back of my mind, right, I know that I am targeting at women above 35 who are looking younger, because as we age, right, our lines will show, like the neck, the forehead lines, especially after 40, right? Oh my god, I have forehead lines. I'm like, I've never had forehead lines. So when I use my product that launched 2 years ago, I was so happy, and I don't even need to go Botox. So I actually shared my story on how I went for Botox, right, just to reduce the lines on my forehead. And then I realized that it's a disaster, because I look like Sylvester Stallone after that. It was like this, my eyes was like this. I'm like, oh my god, that was like disaster. So so I started to share my stories about Botox, about fillers, because my client back then, she was working for an aesthetic clinic, right, and she was sharing with me so much information. I was like thinking, hey, I should let the public know, because not many public knows about this information, right? And then so hence is why what you know, right, is not what general public knows. So that's why I share the information, and a lot of people just follow me. And I have been a beauty expert, right? Because I was from Estee Lauder, I was doing La Mer, Bobbi Brown, I was doing marketing for them, and I was also doing marketing for fashion beauty industries for other brands for so long, for about more than 18 years, right? So I'm very, very expert in all those things. And once I look at their skin, right, all my clients were like, how do you know that I use makeup wipes? So a lot of them was like, how do you know that I use makeup wipes? So I look at your skin and I know. So that's why I am very, very good in my industry. Okay, and then second is, so once I learned how to grow my business on TikTok, I start to train people. I start to sell my courses online to train them to becoming a skincare coach, a beauty coach, and even like a social media coach, right? Because once you're very good at it, right, why not share the information and earn at the same time, right? And then you can teach those who cannot achieve what you are achieving right now. So look at me 6 years ago, right? I don't know much about social media marketing, but look at me right now 3 years ago, and compare to me right now. Every day, right, on the other channel, beauty channel, I'm growing about 100 followers every day, 100 to 150 followers every day right now. And the key thing is, right, even I am growing followers, I am still having sales, growing sales, as in like people are still buying my products. I mean, I'm not just randomly attracting random followers who do not want to buy my products. Most of them who follow me all wanted to buy the products that I introduced, because I created a this trust between my audience and me, right? And then they know that whatever I say is the truth. So I can't promote those things, right, that I didn't try. So whatever I promoted, right, is those ones that I tried and I love it. Yeah, and I'm someone who is very particular about budget, because I learned my lesson. I mean, I told everyone that I met, right, that I lost $1 million just like that because I did not learn how to manage my money. So I am learning a lot about how to manage my money and also keeping to the certain budget that I can have this every month. So once you know how to manage your money, right, God will give you more. Okay, so those who are always like thinking about, oh mama, I always have not enough money, yeah, once you know how to manage your money, God will give you more, I promise that. Okay, and then another secret of mine to growing my business on social media is to collect data, as in collect handphone numbers or emails. I find that Asians are not into emails, so I collect handphone numbers. All right, and then I get them to follow me on my Telegram. All right, it's very, very important because you create that trust, and then you always give them the latest updates, right? And then they look upon you as the expert in the industry. So it's very, very important that we look to serve people on social media. I just want to let you all know, okay, those who are watching this, it takes about 45 times of watching you on videos, right? Then they will like you, they will comment your videos, and then they will buy from you. Okay, so just want to let you know, please take note of that. All right, so if you like these secrets, right, that I'm sharing, follow me for more and follow my Telegram for the latest TikTok updates, right? And also latest trending sounds and also latest social media updates. Yeah, so and then if you're interested to learn about how to grow your business online, DM me for one-on-one social media coaching. I'm here for you. So thank you all so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you all soon in my next video. Bye.